Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. Coach Liu Guoliang is very famous for his deceptive table tennis serve. Today, let's see the training session between Coach Liu Guoliang and Fan Zhendong. This was at the practice hall at the World Table Tennis Championship in Dusseldorf in 2017. The serve and serve return is crucial before the important table tennis matches. Please note that Coach Liu Guoliang is using the shake hand grip. Normally, he uses his favorite penhold grip. This is not his trademark penholder style, but the serve is very effective. So it's all about the feeling in your hand that decides the quality of your serve. Coach Liu Guoliang used a lot of surprising long and fast table tennis serves. So it puts the opponent under pressure to return the serve of Coach Liu Guoliang. Fan Zhendong tries to return the long serve by attacking it. For the short serve, Fan Zhendong also uses the backhand flick to return the serve. You will learn how Fan Zhendong doing the wicked flicks against those serves were out of this world. Here is my tips for the effective long and fast serve. Simple tips to make a good long and fast serve in table tennis. 1. Hit the ball as low as possible. To make a fast serve, you need to hit the ball no higher than the height of the net. During the contact with the ball, try to hit the ball near the surface of the table. 2. Make a fast and no spin serve. It's harder for the opponent with a flat and no spin serve. To do that, try hitting the ball flat at a 90-degree angle and push through the ball. If you're looking from the side view during the stroke, aim for making an L shape with your racket and table. 3. For contact with the ball, aim for the center of your racket. This way you will put more speed to the ball. It's a surprise that you win more points directly in table tennis. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. See you in the next video.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.